a voice that carried the hopes of a nation, a singer who sang to generations through rain, joy, and sorrow. In 2001, Lata Mangeshkar, India's Nightingale, was awarded the Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian honor. But this crowning achievement was not born among red carpets. It was shaped by decades of sacrifice, perseverance, and an unshakable commitment to her art. This is the journey behind the honor. This is the story of how a girl from Indore became India's eternal voice. Born in 1929 into a musical family in Indore, Lata's earliest years were shaped by hardship and resolve. Following her father's untimely death, the young Lata and her sister Begum Akhtar began singing to support their family. These were more than performances. They were survival, training, and character forging in one. Key takeaway. Number 1. Early struggles can become the sheet music of your purpose. At age 13, Lata recorded her first film song in Aapki Sewa Mein, 1942. The pay? A mere 15 rupees. But this wasn't about money. It was about voice, learning nuance, emotion, diction. Through the 1940s and 1950s, Lata's voice blossomed. Ayega Anawala, Pyar Kiya to Darna Kiya, Ajib Dastan Hai Ye. Her name began to echo across India. Key takeaway. 2. Small beginnings compound in time, kept with consistency and dedication. Over 7 decades, Lata sang over 25,000 songs in 36 languages. Her voice became synonymous with Indian cinema and identity. In the 1960s and 1970s, she stood at the peak, amid legends, and never bowed to imitation. She gave each song authenticity and soul. Key takeaway Rugger 3. Mastery comes not from mimicry, but from finding your unique voice and using it with conviction. The Bharat Ratna, established in 1954, is reserved for the nation's most exceptional contributors. In 2001, Lata became the first singer and the second woman from the arts to receive this honor. This was more than recognition. It was reverence. It was saying, a voice can shape a nation. Key takeaway number 4. True recognition follows years of unseen toil. Excellence isn't loud, it's persistent. How did she sustain greatness? Discipline. Early mornings, daily riyaz, practice, even after fame. Learning mindset. She adapted to changing music trends without losing her essence. Resilience. Lata faced vocal strain, industry politics, loss of peers, but she never quit. Humility. Despite global fame, she remained grounded, often singing without pay for charity or film segments. Key takeaway. Number 5. Sustainable success is built on consistency, adaptability, resilience, and humility. Lata Mangeshkar's songs transcended borders. She was awarded France's Chevalier in 1987. In 2021, her passing left a nation in mourning. Yet her songs continue to inspire morning walks, silver screen dreams, and healing hearts even today. Key takeaway, number 6. When your craft speaks to the soul, it lives beyond you. Lata Mangeshkar didn't chase awards. She chased perfection of expression. We honor the Bharat Ratna in 2001, but the real gift is her legacy, a tapestry of dedication, authenticity, and national pride. So ask yourself, what craft are you practicing every day, even when no one's watching? How can you bring authenticity and humility to your own work? Drop your answers in the comments. Your voice deserves to be heard. Like, share, and subscribe. This is Rise and Roar. When profound work meets persistent habit, legends are born.